I have, as a Christian, a higher purpose and a higher goal that is beyond just work and what I'm doing. And that higher purpose is what ultimately motivates me. And you have to find what that is for you. And when you find a higher purpose that's bigger than yourself, then that's going to motivate you. And you can do that, including ministry, by the way, through your work and through everything that you do. You can do it to the glory of God, and you can be a positive influence, because you may be the only contact that certain people have to the church or to Christianity and a relationship with Jesus. So you can influence them in a positive way, or you could influence them in a negative way, depending on how you conduct yourself. So because that's my higher goal, that informs how I conduct myself in business as well. Everything I do is wrapped in prayer, as I said. So I will take these pages and I will pray about them and ask God, okay, well, what's your vision for me? What do you want me to do? This is what I'm thinking about, but where do you want me to go? And really committing that to him. The Bible says, commit your plans to the Lord and your plans will succeed. So I want to commit them to him and then allow him the room to move me in the direction he wants me to move in, which is maybe different sometimes. The Bible talks about faith in action. So you can't just be sitting and praying about stuff. You've got to do something, which is what James talks about, faith in action. So I pray about something and then I got to start working on it. Okay, I don't know if God is going to bless this course, but I'm going to pray about it and I'm going to move and I'm going to do it. And he will direct me in the way he wants me to go. And maybe this is going to work, maybe it won't, but maybe this is the step I needed to take in order to get to the next step that he wants me to go on. And that's what I've seen in my life as I looked back at so many things that seemed like not related or that didn't work, but they actually were a stepping stone to where I am now and what I'm doing now. So sometimes you just got to, you've got to be able to balance both of those things, at least as a person of faith, as a Christian.